It is estimated that at least 1/3 of all energy used is for heating and to maintain the plus 20 degrees inside our homes so we feel comfortable, no matter what the temperature is outside. To preserve the indoor temperature, the quality of the walls is of utmost importance. When looking for options to reduce your energy bill, most people will agree that good insulation is the primary improvement. Aino lives with her husband in a typical multi-story apartment building from the 80s. In Estonia, on some winter nights, the thermometer might even show minus 30 degrees. But since Aino helped organize the insulation of her building, she no longer has to worry about the temperature outside or her heating bill.
See maja ekspluatatsiooni võetud 1982. aastal. Ja kuna ta on tehtud plokkidest, mis on plokki koostis, on siis liiv ja lubi, siis ja üle krohvitud. Ja see koht, kus krohv oli ära tulnud, see töötas käsna põhimõttel. Nii et need imas niiskuse sisse ja meie maja kõige suurem häda oli see, et ta oli niiske. Ta oli niiske ja niiskusega koos ka hallitas. Et osa oli odavaid, ei olnud ökonoomseid pikas perspektiivis, osa oli kallimaid variante, aga need olid ökonoomsemad. Me olime lihtsalt valiku ees, et kui see on meie kodu, siis ta tuleb korda teha.
It was of course quite a challenge to convince all her neighbors to take a loan from the bank, but Aino succeeded. Her main argument was that to reconstruct and insulate the whole house at once might be more costly, but it's certainly the most energy-efficient choice. When work began, insulation of the walls and roof were key. Insulation of the basement and installation of proper entrance doors were also important construction elements, as well as every apartment owner installing double glazed windows. Finally, not only the insulation, but also the new look of the house satisfied Aino and her neighbors.
Meil kadus ära niiskus, meil kadus ära hallitus. Me kulutame nüüd, ütleme, ikka mitukümmend protsenti vähem kütet, tähendab seda kütteenergiat. Rahalises mõistes muidugi me eriti ei saa võrdlust tuua, sellepärast, et vahepeal on ju hinnad kõik tõusnud, aga rahvas on rahul ja me ise ka oleme rahul.
Even if the building has one of the most expensive heating sources installed, electricity, the inhabitants are still paying 1/3, if not half, of the energy bill compared to other neighbors. So when you properly insulate and reconstruct a multi-story apartment building, you can save up to half of your energy bill. Your house is nicer to look at and live in. The climate inside is so much better that the neighbors quickly become friends.
Kõikidele emotsionaalselt nii hästi see mõjus, et ma ütleks, üks 90% korteritest on oma seesmised remondid ära teinud.